Hamilton and Halton are now one step away from a lockdown after the province moved both areas to the red alert level.
Ontario is making the decision to lower the thresholds for imposing stricter COVID-19 measures in light of what Premier Doug Ford calls alarming new projections.
So today, on the recommendations of our Chief Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Williams, and on the advice of our Public Health Measures Table, we're updating our COVID-19 framework with new thresholds.
Under the new framework, Hamilton and Halton are jumping 2 spots from yellow to red, meaning as of next Monday, public gatherings will be limited to 10 people inside and 25 outside. Face coverings will be required in indoor workplaces and other public spaces. While restaurants in the red zone won't be shut down, they will be limited to 10 customers inside and a maximum of 4 people sitting together. Religious services will be limited to 30% capacity indoors and 100 people outside.
Limit your trips outside of the home except essential reasons, like going to work, school, getting groceries, keeping a medical appointment, or exercising. Work remotely where possible.
The Premier added that people living in red zones should avoid social gatherings and not visit any other households or invite guests over. Brant County and the Niagara Region also jumped to the next color category, landing in orange, which has similar restrictions. But in orange, restaurants can still have up to 50 customers inside, and organized public events can have 50 people inside and up to 100 outside. The Chief Medical Officer of Health points to large gatherings, though, as to why the case numbers have increased by 45% since last week and why the province is on track to see 6,500 new daily cases by the middle of December.
Several of our public health units are managing cases of COVID-19 related to large Halloween parties, and others are following up on cases because of wedding celebrations where proper masking and physical distancing practices were not followed.
Never in our lifetimes, in a generation, has so much depended on our collective action.
Halton and Norfolk will remain in the yellow category. The changes for the other regions will come into effect on Monday, except for Toronto, which will move to the red level tomorrow.